Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify use Cloudflare for security in no-code apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify if your no-code app is using Cloudflare for security, start by accessing your app. Look for the website loading indicator in the address bar. If you see a lock symbol, this indicates that your site has an SSL certificate, which is off. Next, inspect the response headers to gather more information. Right-click on the page and select Inspect or Inspect Element. Navigate to the Network tab in the Developer Tools. Reload your application page to see the network requests. Click on the first request in the list to view details. Check the headers for any mention of Cloudflare. You might see headers like CF-Ray or CF-Cache status among the response headers. These headers confirm that your application is behind Cloudflare's services. For further verification, you can use online tools to check DNS records. Visit a site like dnchecker.org and enter your domain. Check for Cloudflare's IP addresses in the results. If you see addresses that belong to Cloudflare, this provides additional confirmation. Another method is to examine the website's performance in a tool like Jeetmetrics or Pingdom. Run a test and look for Cloudflare-specific optimizations in the results. If caching and content delivery improvements are noted, your app is likely secured by Cloudflare. Lastly, if possible, log into your Cloudflare dashboard for your domain. Check the security settings and firewall configurations within the dashboard. This will give you direct confirmation of the services utilized for your no-code app's security. By following these steps, you can ensure your no-code application is effectively secured by Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.